Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I want to show you something interesting that I noticed while I was preparing the top 5 niches of the week video yesterday. And that is that it appears some of the Amazon merch on demand product listings are getting enhanced brand content or A+ content, whatever you want to call it. You've seen it if you've ever browsed Amazon. You know how some listings, when you scroll down where the description used to be, the text description, it can be replaced by kind of like long form kind of images, sometimes some text, etc. It really just enhances the overall listing quality and leads to an increase in conversion rate. So I wanted to show you that I noticed this on a few Amazon merch on demand listings. So let's get into it. Real quick reminder, I've got some free resources for you in the description. At the top, I've got a weekly print-on-demand giveaway completely free. I've got a 7-day Merch by Amazon mini course and a great Merch by Amazon Facebook group, so make sure you check all of those out. All right, here we are. So I was preparing the top 5 niches of the week video yesterday, and I noticed some products, when you scroll down to where the description used to be, you'll see from the manufacturer, then you see a picture of, well, some clearly like 3D renderings of certain products. You got a NASA product, an MTV product. Looks like Cruella de Vil. It says slay all day. You've got the tongue and the lips. Is that like a band? I forget if that's a band or something. And then Stranger Things here behind me. So clearly they're showing off partnerships with really big brands. And what's cool, guys, is like this shirt up here just says retired 2022. I worked my whole life for this shirt. This has nothing to do, as far as I know, with any of these big brands. Yet when you see these big brands on a product listing for a design that we've uploaded, it adds more legitimacy, okay? And I had heard in the past that the A+ content, enhanced brand content, should increase your conversion rate by as much as like 5% on average, okay? So we should be seeing our sales increase. If this is true, I mean, again, there's other factors, right? Like Amazon merch could be like throttling our listings and kind of controlling our sales per day. All those things could be happening. I'm not saying they are. I'm just saying that there's definitely been some conspiracy theories that has been happening to some people. I feel like it's happening to me personally because my sales are so consistent, but and I'm not trying to complain. But if we see just a, enhanced brand content added to our listings, well, a 5% on average increase in conversion rate should mean 5% more sales, 5% more royalties, in theory, right? So I just wanted to show you guys, this is what it looks like. They even got a video. We'll click that in a second. I actually haven't watched the video yet, so we'll watch it together. The Breakfast Club, they've got Tinkerbell, they've got The Simpsons. It says, discover our vast selection of unique finds, choose from popular brands and independent content creators, that's us, with reviews averaging 4 stars or more. Your item is printed when you order and is eligible for Prime shipping and free returns. Okay, so maybe this happens to product listings that have 4 stars at least. We can try to see that. This listing right here has 3.5. Does it have it? Okay, well, this listing has 3.5 stars, and it still has the enhanced brand content. Now, the majority of the product listings that I looked at, guys, did not have the I don't know what to call it. I keep saying enhanced brand content. I think it might be called A+ content now. That's what it looked like when I went to Seller Central. Also, I noticed that like brand artist unknown, this could just be coincidence, but I noticed that like the first 2 listings that I found that had it, that had the A+ content, were both brand artist unknown. However, I went into my own account, clicked a bunch of my listings. The majority of mine did not have this yet, but some of them did, and they were not brand artist unknown. So it's not just an artist unknown thing. I actually thought that was going to be the case until I did my own, extra digging. But anyways, let's watch this video. This YouTube video doesn't need to go on too much longer. But if you have questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. All right, millions of designs printed just for you. Express yourself with our vast selection of unique finds. Choose designs from popular brands and independent content creators. Your item is only printed when you place your order. Using the latest world-class printing technology. Our products have reviews averaging 4 stars. And and the benefit of free Prime shipping and returns. Amazon.com/merch on demand. So that is really cool. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy. This is really a largely positive thing, at least in my eyes. If you have a different take, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you guys. But I think this is going to be good. I think it's going to ultimately lead to, like I said, increase in conversion, increase in sales, increase in royalties. That's why we're here doing it. And let me know, guys, like, check your own listings. Do you have any listings that have the A+ content already rolled out? Like I said, the majority of the ones I've seen recently do not. But if this is like, you know, a big, you know, processing load on the Amazon servers, given the number of merch on demand listings, perhaps it will take some time. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. By the way, I do have a full Merch by Amazon course. If you want to learn more about how I went from tier 10 to tier 200,000, you can learn my exact processes. All of that is in the description, guys. Thank you for watching, though. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.